Hello friends, I am Swapnil and welcome to my channel Foxfreehorse. Just like every time, we are back again with a new trail. This time, we plan out to ride Manikgad, but unfortunately, we missed the trail. Saturday morning, we plan to do Manikgad trail. We leave on a time so that it will not be so hurry while returning. Without any delay, we start our ride accompanied by Shri and Rakesh. The trail starts from Thakurwadi, a small village before the trail starts. To reach that village, you need to face a steep climb with loose stones. Last time when we did the same route, we didn't face any challenges in climbing. But this time, due to rain, road to Thakurwadi village was in worse condition. After reaching to the Thakurwadi, we move our handles to our planned destination. We never did this trail in monsoon. This was the first time we are going to experience the trail. And guess what? We missed the trail, as I earlier said, and roaming in between the wild forest of Manikgad to Jambhivali Dam. You have seen the cow shed at the start. At that point, instead of taking a left turn, we wrongly took the right. We are not sure about the route, but we can see the top of Manikgad, and that's what we are following. We keep ourselves moving. After covering about 6 to 7 kilometers of forest, two villagers we met. At first, they got surprised by watching us with our bikes. We asked them about the right direction, and they said, "You lost into the forest. We are above Jambhivali Dam."
You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
At this point, we don't have that much energy of going back or neither want to trek the mountains keeping our cycles on our shoulders. So, we decided to enjoy the wrong direction. As we went through so many waterfalls, we got relaxed below one of it and took a small break and plan out how to get down from this mountain.
I can't believe myself. I never thought that this would be our end, but it's nothing new. And my lover's honesty, I can push it back down if I have to. If you want me to, 'cause we can run. So tell me now.
We can see the villages from the top, but from where to get down, that's the big question as for now. In that thinking, we covered almost 11 kilometers and then we got a way that connects to the villages at a base. Somehow, we managed to get down at a sauna village. When we get to know that we came too far from where did we start, we felt like this one was our close encounter with the nature. In this entire journey, we went through so many challenges. We faced a dark green forest, so many waterfalls we have seen, snaky turns with ups and downs. It was one of the memorable rides of this monsoon. Hopefully, we didn't face any kind of injuries. All three of us are good to go home So friends, this was all about our lost and found journey. We'll try to explore such new places, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel where we can go along with our bikes. Hope you guys love this trail, so hit the like button and also share it with your cycling buddies. If you want to go on this trail, you can follow my strava link given in the below description.
And now it's just like, man, you got to have that time where you just like disconnect from the scene, just the race. Like, and it's a race that I've created in my head, you know? But you have to step away from it